treat yourself to a test drive in the 2013 Subaru Legacy. This four-door, five-passenger sedan has just over 80,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. It's equipped with tons of terrific amenities, but it won't break your budget. Like all-wheel drive, a power seat, an outside temperature display, heated seats, fully automatic headlights, and one-touch window functionality. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.